So this is the little folding wallet. This is one we've made in the past that does have a snap, but you can see that the edges are folded in there. And this is what we're going to make. So in your kit, you're going to receive this piece of leather. It's a solid piece of full grain veg tan leather. And we are going to, you can see how the different grains look. You're going to get that piece of leather plus these two little button studs. It's a screw post that goes in the back. And you'll just screw that into place. That will keep your little wallet closed. So the first thing we're going to do is place the screw post into the back, the flush side, as you can see, and then we're going to put the little top on. It's just a regular screw post, so it'll screw on like a standard, like a little, like a standard screw. Then we are going to create a crease in the bottom here. You're just going to press really firm as it lays down. And then in the sides, push those in. Just do your best to get them nice and square and flat. And then bring down the flap as well and push it down. You can see those crease lines. And that's what we're going to use. So now comes kind of the tough part. In the slot here, you're going to tuck in the sides. It takes a little effort, so keep working at it, but it does come together. And so right here you can see I'm trying to push down and pull in that little top corner. Once it's in there, then I'm going to take my fingers inside and flatten out the flap so it lays flat in there, and just like that, that's how it's done. The second side is a little more of a challenge, as you'll see here in a moment, but that's how it looks when it's done. Lays flat in there. So the second side, we're going to do the same thing, and you'll just tuck that in there and then work it in by pushing and pulling the little flap into the slot. After you've worked that in and you can pull it from the inside, then just do your best to flatten it out. Over time this will relax into this shape, but when it's first done, it resists being flattened. And the last step is to go ahead and close your button snap. And you're done. Very simple, very clean and cute little wallet. Carries lots of cards, and over time it's going to patina and relax into that shape and be a beautiful wallet. And there you go. Thank you.